Hello, kiddos. Okay, how are you? Okay, I hope all of you are doing great this week. Okay, kids. Okay, today we're going to learn about other queries. Okay, it's still about the query on page. Okay, you can take a look at your book textbook, page 49. Okay, as for these other queries, it's similar to the previous video. Okay, you can always change the query for other information. Okay, find out who are still using dial-up connections. Okay, select internet usage query. Girl use more than 3 hours. The one that we did last week. Okay, and then click design view. Okay, so inside this you got to delete the criteria in the column sex and then also usage, because last time we searched for girls and also the usage is more than 3 hours, right? Okay, so what we need to do is we got to remove the information inside that columns. Okay, type D in the columns connection in the row for the criteria. Okay, uncheck the checkbox for the fields member ID, sex, and also date subscribed. Okay, so that we have information on name, age, connection, and usage only. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, save the query as the dial-up users. Okay, and then click run if you want to see the query or the results. Okay, if you notice up here, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 fields, right? Okay, from the member ID until the date subscribed. Okay, but we got to uncheck them and then so that we only can see name, age, and also connection usage. All right. Okay, so what we need to do is we have to open our um, internet usage one. Okay, so this is the query that we had before. Okay, double click on it to see our query. Okay, and the results is 5, right? Okay, go to design view and then okay, can you see this under sets column? Remove this information. Okay, and the usage column also remove it. Okay, and then they said that type D in the column connection. Okay, so D. So D. Okay, up here. Okay, we just need to type D. Okay, and then, alright, you can see that the semicolon will appear, not semicolon, the inverted comma will appear automatically. Alright, if you notice all the columns are checked or a tick. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to untick them. Okay, not all, but only for the member ID, sex, okay, and also date subscribe, which is the last one. Okay, so now we can see that the one that is checked is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, once we finish, what we need to do is save it. Okay, file. Okay, save as. Um, okay, save object as, not database, okay, because we are saving under the same database. Save object as. Okay. Alright, so over here would be copy of internet usage query, right? Okay, so we got to remove this and then type dial-up users. Okay, and then press OK. Okay, and then click run. Now you can see that we have only 5 query on the D connection. Okay, so that's it for today. I want you to do your work, okay, exactly like this. Okay, save it. As you can see over here, it has 2 queries, right? Dial-up users and the internet usage query. Girl use more than 3 hours. Alright, so I want you to send me this database Okay, attach it to my email, and as usual, nidanase at gmail.com. All right. Okay. See you again. Bye. Selamat Hari Raya, everyone.